Hey there, I'm Mahin and welcome to my channel. If you wanted to learn real digital marketing and grow your business, well, you are in the right place. Now the question is who I am. I've been working in digital marketing for the last 5 years. I have helped more than 200 businesses in e-commerce, lead generation, and service-based industries. I have generated more than $50 million in sales using platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Google, TikTok, LinkedIn, and many more. Now, another question might pop up in your mind what this channel is about. Well, on this channel, I will teach you everything I have learned for 100% free. You'll learn how to get more traffic, more lead, more sales using right tools and smart strategies. I will show you how to use platforms like Facebook, Google, YouTube, LinkedIn to get best out of it. My vision is 100% clear. I started this channel to help small businesses, freelancers, and marketers from around the world. So, if you want to grow your business, learn real skill, and get honest advice, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for being here and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to share all the knowledge and skill I have acquired for the last 5 years so that you can implement without an error and get a better result. So, see you in the next video. Cheers.